Guys, SBC stop motion pilot here. Yeah, big storm heading in.
Big one, you know how I know?
Yeah.
Raindrops are big.
Raindrops are going big right now.
Yeah, big drops, not little ones.
Yeah. It's like that. It's huge. What is that? It looks like it's rotation, but it's not. It looks like to me rotation. To me, excuse me. I'm glad the airplane flew by. I forgot to record that. Look at that. Guys, this is dangerous today. Here. Guys, this is dangerous looking. We're going near the shelter right now. Look at all of this. We got a big storm coming in. We usually have lots and lots of okay, I'm sorry, I'm trying to clean it out. Trying to dry it up. If you hear that rumbling, good, because there's a severe thunderstorm coming in. Footballers are playing. I don't know why. But there's football players over there, and they're playing. There is no lightning though. It has no lightning has seen. Okay, all right. Oh my gosh, this storm's starting to get a little dangerous. Right, come on. Oh, you can hear the rumbling, guys. You can hear rumbling. I don't know if you hear it. I'm recording. This is... Let me check if there's a rotation. Okay. Oh, web. That's an airplane. You hear all the rumbling. Now that's thunder. Guys, let's go to our weather station. See if this storm is gonna take any more. It's gonna take any damage or anything. Okay, we are outside on my porch. It looks pretty severe. Trying to get a little more severe. Oh my gosh. I don't know if there's gonna be lightning or not. Keep hearing thunder. Okay. Women. Grandma. She's going up the steps. Come on. Alright, come on. The storm is about to hit and it's about to be severe. Going straight to my weather center right now.
Big drops.
Big drops are coming down.
Wednesday. Low tide
Just getting the mail and heard fun out of nowhere. Let me go ahead and put it in. Marine weather statement.
At 6:29 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated.
Okay. Hello? I'm recording right now.
And what's up, gamers?
This Gamer 108 is with us, and we're trucking down this big storm right now. Yes, it looks severe. I don't know. Let me reload.
It's cloudy outside.
Yeah, I hear some thunder over here.
Have you played Please Stop, Don't Tap the White Dial?
Yeah.
Have you played that before?
Yeah. Marine weather statement.
At 7:04 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms, producing strong winds up to 33 knots, just north of Little Creek, or near Thibble Shoals, moving east at 15 knots. The strong thunderstorms will be near Chesapeake Bay Bridge Tunnel, First Highland Bay Bridge at 7:15 p.m., Lynn Haven at 7:20 p.m., Fourth Island Bay Bridge at 7:30 p.m.
Yeah, it's pretty severe.
At 7:35 p.m.
No severe thunderstorm warning just yet, but looks like there's going to be one.
Locally high waves and lightning strikes. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately or remain in port until this storm passes.
This looks severe.
Marine forecast.
There's a tropical storm already?
Little Creek, Virginia. Tonight, west winds 10 to 15 knots.
Oh, big rumbles of thunder over here. Let's record it.
Showers of thunder.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go to our window. Let's go to our...
Can't open the door.
I'm not gonna open it. I'm not gonna open it. I'm just gonna look outside. Oh, that looks... We're already getting over it. Let's get more on the way. Do you hear any thunder already?
Nope.
Okay, he doesn't hear thunder. He's a couple miles away. So this looks pretty severe. No severe thunderstorm warning has been issued yet. Got a feeling.
I'm gonna play a game after.
Your game master?
Close the door!
Okay, sorry about that, guys. Close the door. There we go. I was just about to go biking, and then when I was trying to roll out the bike, I was about to, and suddenly I heard thunder, and I was like, cancel biking. Just, you know.
1 to 2 feet. Winds and waves higher and visibility
Yeah.
lower and near.
I was about to go biking, and boom, thunder.
Marine forecast. Chesapeake
So,
Bay
let's go ahead and track down the storm
Tunnel. Tonight,
that's about to hit here.
becoming west 10 to 15 knots after midnight. Waves 2 feet.
Interactive radar.
I want to show you this app.
Showers
What?
after midnight. Wednesday, northwest
Are you done with the video?
I'm still recording.
a slight chance of showers
See when
and
you're...
thunderstorms early in the
Yeah,
a chance of showers and thunderstorms
oh, it's a small storm, guys. It's a small storm.
15 knots. Waves 2 to 3
Come on.
feet. A chance of thunderstorms in the evening.
Sorry about it, guys.
Chance of showers.
My computer
Waves 4 feet.
um
Chance of rain.
decides to lag right now.
Winds 10 to 15 knots.
Hate lag.
Waves 3 to 4 feet.
I mean, they ruined the whole thing. I mean, what?
Friday, northeast winds 10 knots. Waves
So this is the storm.
northwest winds
It's in the
5.
ocean right now.
Waves 2 feet. Saturday,
It's not that severe.
knots. Waves 2 to 3 feet.
That's what it looks like.
Northeast winds 5
It's a strong storm. No hail has been reported or that.
Sunday.
We're fine right now.
Waves 3 feet.
But there's gonna be, I believe, a severe special marine warning soon. Oh my gosh! This storm came out of nowhere. I didn't see it.
Marine
It's like a severe storm. It's like kind of severe.
No, I don't think it's a video.
Nah, it's not that severe. I mean, the only thing that might be issued is just a special marine warning.
Are you outside?
No, I'm about to look outside.
It's windy.
Yeah. Let me just look up. I'm just on the side of the house. Not completely outside. Move the phone. Yeah, I put my arm outside instead of my whole body. Let me go this way because it is more, you know, more good to see. Let's go to my, let me go to my weather cam. Not like the spot for my weather cam. I'm moving my weather stuff out of the way. Move my water. Let me turn on the light. Right. So here, let's get more on the way.
Yeah?
Alright. Oh my gosh. I think I see the clouds getting darker. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Look at that. Look,
Live?
huh?
Are we still live?
Yeah, we're still live. We're recording.
Coming southwest 5 to 10 knots in the afternoon. Seas 2 feet with a dominant period of 9 seconds.
Look at that.
Late. Wednesday night.
Look at that thing
10 to 15
coming
knots.
straight for us.
Seas 2 to 3 feet. A chance of thunderstorms in the evening.
Okay, let me take a screenshot.
Showers.
There we go. I took a screenshot. It's a new function with Androids. Look at that though. So much stuff to see. I was just about to go biking. What is that? Is that a tornado? No, that shouldn't be. First it's severe thunderstorm warning, then there will be a tornado warning. Oh god. Yeah, it's not a tornado, it's not a tornado. Why would it be a tornado?
Are you changing your profile picture?
Oh yeah. Look at that thing. That thing is huge. Okay.
Tonight, west winds 10 to 15 knots. Waves 1 foot. A chance of showers and thunderstorms in the evening. Then a chance of showers after midnight. Wednesday, west winds 5 to 10 knots. Waves 1 foot. A chance of showers and thunderstorms late.
So let's go and see outside currently. I'm just afraid there's going to be EAS and it'll come out of nowhere and that. Let's go outside. Let's look outside. Let's look outside, not go outside. Oh, it's coming. Dude, it's coming. Let me just put out a little plop, like a crack door. Just put out the one. There we go. I'll put the phone outside. Put the phone outside so they might not hear you.
I can hear you.
Okay, alright. This is dangerous, dude. This kind of move right over us right now. Yeah, that cloud we saw earlier looked like a tornado, but it's not. Why would it be a tornado?
I don't know.
Yeah, tornadoes don't hit here much. Tornadoes doesn't hit here much, but we did get 3 over here one time. Like, you know what the EAS is earlier, a long time ago, about a week ago, there was called EAS.
How many is your... Hey, stop motion pilot.
Thunder! We got thunder. We hear thunder.
Don't video.
I'm still recording though. Yeah guys, this looks pretty horrible. So let's go ahead and add this tab really quick. Sorry about that, I said it 3 times. Okay. Let's go ahead and keep recording. There's a marine water statement. Okay, from the Marine Water Service, or WMWS, sorry. Now they are not gonna. Let me test it. To follow these alerts, to get these alerts, you just go to IMBot. It's called weather.im/IMBot. This works really good. Here's the sound you'll hear when there's a new alert. You'll hear that. Looks pretty bad. Oh yeah, so that must have been why. Wait, no. Never mind. Let me go ahead and go down.
Go.
Okay, never mind. Let's see what the storm is going with it. Marine weather statement. Storm. The SPC issues. That. I don't know what that is. Oh my gosh. Huh? No, it won't work. Oh my god. Yeah, I can't use it anymore. Someone doesn't let me now.
Tomorrow, partly sunny, a chance of showers, thunderstorms. Beach temperature around 82. Beach winds west 5 to 10 miles per hour. Surf tide around 2 feet. Water temperature 63 to 67. Rip current just low. Although the outlook for rip current is low, weak rip currents can sometimes form, especially as tides go downward. Always supervise those who cannot swim.
Air quality forecast. The forecast Wednesday for Hampton Roads is going level yellow, which is moderate and means people unusually
That is
sensitive
just
to air
a
pollution may be mildly affected.
test.
Primary pollutant will be particles.
So,
The current time is 7:24 p.m.
Well,
Eastern Time.
tripped. Let's go ahead and here we go. EAS number 50. Here we go.
The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay from New Point Comfort to Little Creek, Virginia. Coastal waters from Cape Charles Light to Virginia, North Carolina border out to 20 nautical miles. Chesapeake Bay from Little Creek, Virginia to Cape Henry, Virginia, including the Chesapeake Bay Bridge Tunnel until 9:00 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:21 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated a thunderstorm capable of producing strong winds 34 knots or greater in small hail over Chesapeake Bay Bridge Tunnel, moving east at 15 knots. This strong thunderstorm will be near 4th Island Bay Bridge around 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Cape Henry wreck around 7:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Anglo-African wreck around 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Mariners can expect strong winds 34 knots or greater, small hail, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rains. Frequent lightning is occurring with this storm. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects.
Wow.
The following is a marine weather statement.
Okay.
At 7:04 p.m.
Did you hear that? Okay. EAS number 50 is with this video now.
Thunderstorms, producing strong winds up to 33
Basic Gamer 108, you hear me?
of Little Creek or near Thimble Shoals, moving east at 15 knots.
Did you hear me?
Strong thunderstorms will be near Chesapeake Bay.
Okay, did you hear that? EAS number 50 is with this video now. Special marine warning.
p.m. 4th Island Bay Bridge at 7:30 p.m. Cape Henry wreck at 7:35
Okay.
p.m.
I might cut that part. I don't know. I'm gonna try to.
45 p.m.
Let me go to
Winds of 33
the
locally higher
weather.gov because I love getting that alerts.
will remain in port until this storm passes.
Okay.
The 7 p.m. area
I don't see it, though.
weather observations. Norfolk, mostly sunny. Temperature 87. Dew point
It
65.
should come up in a minute.
Humidity 47%. Wind southwest 13 miles an hour. Pressure 29.9
Okay, yep.
inches and rising. At Newport News,
Special marine warning
sunny.
is
Temperature
right
88.
here.
Dew point 67. Relative humidity 49%. Wind southwest
So.
9 miles an hour. Pressure 29.89 inches and
I knew I had that feeling it was going to be EAS.
and an eastern north.
And there it is.
Langley, mostly sunny, and 86. Wind southwest
Right there.
12 miles an hour. Virginia Beach, partly sunny, and 86. Wind southwest 10 miles an hour.
Yep.
Suffolk,
was reported at 7:24.
Sunny and 84. Edenton, sunny and 86. Cape, Iris.
I'm gonna try to cut that part.
Wind
I can get it.
17 miles an hour, gusting to 30. Regional observations. Wallops Island, partly sunny and
I don't know. I'm not gonna cut that.
Washington, D.C., a thunderstorm and 77. Richmond,
Yeah, I'll put that link in the description for EAS number 50. Like, you know, time lapse, the timeline. You know, in the description it'll be when, like, at what time limit, you know, like 5 minutes 21 seconds. I'll put it like right there. See and review what it is. Oh, don't skim it at that, dude. I thought it was like something else. Like, yeah, you can tell I shivered. I was like, I shake. Because I thought it was like you're not watching a movie or something. Anyway, yep, EAS number 50 is with this video. I'll put it in the description so you can watch it again. But yeah, thanks for watching, and bye.